same, viewers, Ranveer Allahabadiya has issued a new statement. He has released a statement claiming that he is cooperating with the police. And as far as Republic TV is concerned, what we have gathered all the day, all throughout the past 2 days, is that he has skipped both the summons. He is untraceable, he's unreachable. But now, Ranveer Allahabadiya, after the mounting pressure and so much of scrutiny around him, he is now compelled to release the statement. He has released a statement saying that he is cooperating with the police on the matter. Breaking news coming in. Ranveer Allahabadiya, we still don't know about his whereabouts. We still don't know where he is and why hasn't he still turned up at the police station. He has skipped both the summons, but he claims that he is cooperating with the police. However, Mr. Allahabadiya has not turned up at the station for the probe, for the question, for recording his statement. As FIRs, multiple FIRs have been registered against him. He says that his privacy is being violated, his privacy is invaded. That's what Ranveer Allahabadiya is saying, because questions are being asked to him. People are wanting answers from him. The police wants his statement. So he says that his privacy is being invaded, that people are not respecting his privacy. Ranveer Allahabadiya, who jokes about a sexual act between his parents, releases a statement now after mounting pressure. Fresh statement after that half-hearted apology. He says that he is cooperating with the police. However, viewers, the reality remains, the fact remains, he has not turned up to record his statement. He has skipped both the summons by the police. But he says that he is cooperating with the police. He is cooperating and he is involved in the investigation against him. And he says that his privacy is being invaded. And viewers, Allahabadiya, remember, he is now playing a victim very clearly. He is claiming that he is cooperating. Fact remains, he has not turned up at the Khar police station as he was supposed to today itself. He missed the deadline. And he says that he is cooperating with the police. He is incommunicado. His lawyer is unreachable. Allahabadiya is unreachable. The doors of his house are locked. He is not there. Nobody knows, at least we don't know where he. He is not coming out and issuing a statement, not recording a statement before the police, as multiple FIRs have been lodged against him, filed against him. And now he plays victim, saying that his privacy is being disturbed. His privacy is being invaded. And that's why he's a victim now, that he is cooperating with the police, trying to portray that he is being targeted as he releases this new statement. And as many days, the first one came a few days back, that half-hearted apology where he said that comedy is not his forte. And he asked for the viewers to forgive him. And it was a planned joke, as we were telling you, viewers. This is a plagiarized joke. My colleague Sandeep joins us live on the broadcast. From Sandeep, now Ranveer Allahabadiya skipping both the summons, plays victim, says that his privacy is being invaded and that he is cooperating with the police.
Ranveer Allahabadiya, since he has been summoned, in fact, 2 summons have been issued against him. He has not appeared before the Khar police station, and in fact, he had uploaded a video apologizing for the remark, but he also mentioned that he is cooperating with the law agencies. But since this case has been, in fact, taken by the Khar police and SCT is formed, in fact, 2 summons have already been issued against him. He has not appeared before the Khar police. Neither Khar police is able to communicate with him as well as with his lawyers, and now it seems that he has disappeared and not coming before the police. In fact, he had gone to Supreme Court seeking urgent hearing in this very case, but ultimately he was denied that. But ultimately he has not appeared before any law agencies, neither before the Assam police, nor before Maharashtra Cyber Cell, nor before the Khar police station.
Absolutely, of course. We do not see any response as far as the investigation is concerned, but he claims that he is cooperating in the investigation. Thank you so much, Sandeep, for those details and that big breaking that Republic TV has got to our viewers on this.